Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Experts. Students, if you are new here, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. And first of all, students, I will share the question with you. Today we will solve this question. This question appears in the GAD subject AJK PSC lecturer math exam and in 221. Okay, and then and one time it will appear in the GRE or GAD subject. Okay, students. Now the question is, the equation is given: square root of x plus 3 का square plus y minus 2 का whole square is equal to x minus 3 का square plus y का square. In the xy plane, the set of points whose coordinates satisfy the equation above equation is a line, a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, one branch of the hyperbola. So we will solve this and tick the correct one option. So the question is, the equation is basically square root of x plus 3 का square, x plus 3 का square plus y minus 2 का square, y minus 2 का square root is equal to square root of x minus 3 का square, x minus 3 का square plus y का square. Okay, students, this is our question. So if you have this type of question, so first of all we want to remove the root, taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides. So we will take square on both sides, so we get x plus 3 का square plus y minus 2 का square is equal to x minus 3 का square plus y का square. Now if we open this square, so using the formula a plus b का whole square, which is equal to a का square plus b का square plus 2ab. So we will remove, use this formula here, x का square plus b का square 9 plus 3 to the 6x plus y का square plus 4 minus 4 of y is equal to x का square plus 9 minus 3 2s are 6x plus y का square. So we cancel the some terms, y का square cancel, x का square and this x का square cancel. So finally we get 9. So we have also one term plus 9 and this 9 with cancel. So finally we get some terms 6x, then we have plus 6x minus 4y plus of 4 equal to 0. So we write it 12x plus 4 is equal to 4 of y. If we take the y 4 as a common, we can write this y is equal to 4 3s are 12, so 3 of x plus 1. So you can see that this is the equation of the line. So this is the equation of the line. So the correct option, so this is equation of lines equation, because we write this y is equal to mx plus c. So the correct option here is, we will take the correct option. The correct option is a line. Okay. If you have any question, you can send us via email in the comment section. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, click the bell icon. Thank you so much.